What's up, everybody? Griever and my current co-host Arlene here. Anyway, we're here doing our little annual update and such. But you know what? We've been doing this for quite some time.
We have.
Yeah, it's getting a little stale though. So I think we need to change it up a little bit. So
no. This has not been discussed.
No, it's fine. Because from now on, going forward, we're going to be doing nothing but hardcore political commentary here on the channel.
Oh, fuck no.
Okay, fine. How about we do custom car builds then?
I hope you mean like Twisted Metal or something somewhat nerdy. High-end fashion.
In this economy?
No, I'm too low maintenance for this.
Fine. Outdoor survival skills.
Girl Scouts didn't teach me enough.
Wait. Yeah, maybe not.
Habit cooking.
I'm trying to lose weight.
Our cookies are now done. Grab them out of there. Oh, beautiful. Nice golden brown, crispy edge, a gooey center. Just need to let those cool for a few minutes before trying to move them. Oh, they're so nice and big too. So now we have our chocolate chip cookies, our tea cake, our German hobbit loaf, and our blueberry crumble squares. I might have a problem. Maybe we shouldn't do this one.
Fine. OnlyFans.
The audacity!
I didn't mean you, but fine. OnlyFans?
What the fuck is that? No, I got it.
Okay.
Pokemon content.
Fight!
Come on, I play Pokemon Go literally every single day of my life.
Yeah.
Fight!
Alright, fine. How about Renfair kit build-outs?
I'm not opposed to that.
Neither am I. That's why I suggested it. But in all seriousness, no, nothing is really changing on the channel. We're still going to be giving you the content that you have grown accustomed to and such.
I was about to say that we hope you enjoy. But,
yeah, and that you hope you enjoy.
We're still us. We understand. There is a threshold.
Yes. Maybe we'll try a couple of new things here and out this year, but
seriously, that last suggestion, I'm not too mad about.
And honestly, neither am I. But anyway, thanks for joining us for this little this little frivolity that we decided to do for you. And as always, if you enjoy the content we put on the channel, throw us a like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think we should be doing for the year, and let me know what you thought of that slap, because that was real.
Oh my god, we had to do 2 takes because I genuinely thought I heard him. I felt so bad.
It's fine. Anyway, again, thank you very much for joining us. We love you. Thank you for all your support, and we will see you guys next time. Bye. Later.